group in the bike lane. Those are nice bikes you got there. Very good. Jogging path right there. Oh my God, would you look at this? This van has their I can park anywhere I want lights. Oopsies. Might have brushed you while I was going past there. Object permanence, what is that?
There's a right way and a wrong way to ride a Lime scooter.
Bike lane's over here, genius. Get off the sidewalk.
So don't be an asshole.
Wrong way, asshole. Traffic goes this way. Traffic goes this way. Go over there. That's the way the correct direction goes. Thank you. See, how hard is that? Yo, that's a sweet bike you got there. It's invisible. How do you do that? Happy birthday to you. Your religion is a cult. Yep, when the parking lot isn't good enough for you. Where do you think you're going? Thank you, Zero Enigma, for the jellyfish powers. I shall put them to use. Wonder what this sign says. I wonder what that symbol on the ground means. Yep. Good job blocking the bike lane. Very good. Could have pulled in right there. Customer was pressuring the driver to stop there. That's something that I've never succumbed to when I was a driver. I'm like, no, this is not a safe place to stop. Meet me over there. Yep, phone. Gotta park on the bollard. This again. Always having to kick that back into place. But remember how cyclists run red lights. Those naughty cyclists. Yep. We got someone with their I can park anywhere I want lights. There's just nowhere to park. Nowhere to park.
Whoopsies!
Holy shit.
in the Airhorn business or something as opposed to. Oh God.
I wonder what this bike symbol in the ground means.
Well, you know, they let bikes on the inside trail too, so.
Why would I go there?
Well, they do.
There's a jogging path right there too. The fucking deflection. If you want to run in the bike lane, you got to go bike speed.
Get out of the way.
How about that?
Where are you going? Are you going somewhere? Fuck are you doing? Make a fucking decision. Okay, you're turning around. Yep, we don't look. How about we look next time? Sidewalk's right there, idiot. That's the sidewalk. That's for walking. Then you walk it.
And don't be a come on, man.
Wrong way, Dingleberry. Still like a fourth one. On the phone. On the phone. Oh yeah, race to that red light. You win! Use your mirrors, asshole! Go ahead! Okay, go ahead. Have fun with that.
No, it's a regular person. Yeah. Yeah, just write a check. Just yeah, $11,000. She was 26 anyway. She had limited value.
Hurt your ego.
He is barely my assholes.
Tailgate much? Well, really not sure what that Prius is doing. Why are they stopping there? What are they?
Well, how was I supposed to know?
Well, I was hoping this might tip you off.
It's kind of selfish, don't you think?
You get back in line. Back in line. You're on the wrong side of the road, man. Fuck. CBY 1218. Unbelievable.